Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today I will be showing you guys my interpretations of ice cream as people. I don't even know why I thought of this. It was such a random thought, but I was hungry, so don't judge. So what I decided to do was I was going to make an ice cream family. I have the hard serve ice cream, soft serve ice cream, and we just have a little ice cream sundae. It's a sister, brother, and sister. Let's go see how I made it. So for the sister, I wanted her to look Victorian style because hard ice cream is traditional ice cream, and I figured why not make her look traditional, you know? So I made her a mint ice cream, and her dress is, the outside part is the cone and the inside is the mint, and you can see little mint pieces over there. And I'm just adding a little border because I love adding borders. I feel like out of all of the ones I did, I preferred the brother. He's so chill and relaxed. I wanted to make him look like that because soft serve is so much softer. You could see by the hair. And I also had a little brown at the top, like the chocolate dip. And I really liked the way he turned out. I feel like his pants are a bit plain, but that's okay. I still love the way he turned out. Now we're at my favorite one, Little Sunny. That reminds me, I didn't come up with names for these guys. Anyway, I wanted her to be so sweet and innocent and have an umbrella. And I wanted her to be messy and childlike and just all that sauce dripping on her. And I also added sprinkles for good measure. I absolutely loved her. Hey guys, now we're in Disneyland and let's check out the family. So over here we have, drum roll please, I have no clue their names. So we have the hard ice cream, soft ice cream, and we have cute little Sunny. Photobomb. I had so much fun making this fun little happy family. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all the finished pieces in my videos and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. These 3 characters will be available on Redbubble. Okay, so the links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye!